Welcome to Wickerson Studios. Let me check my sound. Looks all right. A little quiet. All right, so what I'm trying to do here is just take a look at 3Blue1Brown videos and make some models in Grasshopper. I'm doing this just out of total and utter respect for how they are transforming how mathematicians can think about simple things. And what I've done is a very simple Grasshopper model of what they do in their videos, which actually allows you to just see what it actually means to add to a number line what's actually happening by a slider. And I'm going to move on to multiplication through scaling and rotation after. But this script is actually fairly complex, and I'm sure it can be simplified, but I thought it was a nice model just on a 2D plane that I could take a look at it on a one-dimensional line and slide by adding whatever number. This is the addition number, and it goes from -10 to 10 on a number line that runs from -15 to 14. Probably should round it up to 15, but that's just the way the series are working. And then I'm selecting everything in the geometry to move along. And what I'm trying to do is take that 0 point and move it to the red number line underneath. So 5, what does it mean if you add 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what's actually happening. It's the sliding of something, and we're going to get into scaling and rotation in a minute. So very simple tutorials. I think they're kind of nice. I'm going to pan out and show you the script itself is a little more complicated, but it's a really nice breakdown of how to use text tabs, get your information in, and get your data from a series in, and have fun with what you're doing. And of course, I hope to get the things that are a little more complicated like this, but it's going to take a little bit of time to start, and we're just going to start simply. So nice little slider. Select what you want to move as a number line through addition and what that means. And I thought, I can conceive of this. It's helped me change how I think about numerology or numbers or whatever it's called. And I wish these tools and these programs were available to me 30, 40 years ago, 30 years ago when I was in math computers. Because now I'm able to build those very simple models and have fun with them. And I think they're only going to get more and more complex. And I'm playing homage to, obviously, 3Blue1Brown tutorials, which are absolutely amazing. So thanks very much for watching. Stop recording.